must be pleased to be able to contribute this kind of type of football to the schoolboy football arena.
Well, it's always a pleasure to give back to our country and to set standards. What we're trying to do is to set a standard, not just only in the systematic approach to football, but in the heart and in pride. You know, having pride in yourself and your school, and I think that it was really a great game. You know, kudos to Camperdown. The whole team had passion. They came here to fight. They didn't come here to lose. They didn't come here to lay down and take another 9. They came here to give us a battle, and I'm proud of them. They gave us a battle, you know, and that brought out the best in us, because we have a little thing deep down inside all of us that says never die, never give up, and to have pride. And so Mona, I'm very proud of the Mona team, and just looking forward to the family keep growing.
Zane came off the bench carrying a needle, but he came on and delivered 2 goals for your man of the match performance. Speak to us about his impact this season for the Mona team.
Drastic, very important player. All our players are important because everyone has a role to play. And when you execute that role, you know, football is like chess, you know. Each player on each piece of the chessboard moves in a certain way. And if you have players that are able to listen and execute the directives of the coaching staff, you become more able to win, more able to be tactical. And Zane employed the tactics we asked of him today. He's not just carrying a niggle, he's hurt. And he's playing hurt. And that boy played, boy, I don't know to tell you what. Can play with a lot of heart.
And you were up 2-1, went down 3-2, and the boys responded and got you 2 more goals to get the win. That shows that this team has really matured since last season.
Yeah, it's very important, the maturity. You know, in life, in order to be a great winner, you have to also know what it feels like to lose. What it feels like for someone to take away something that you deserve. That Walker Cup last year, you know, it reminds me of when they banned me and Phoenix back years ago, and those little boys decided that they were going to go out and prove the whole country wrong. Now we have players playing in the Premier League, we have players playing in Belgium, we have players in France, and this young team from Mona, they have shown to the schools what it means to have pride in your school no matter what, and I'm so proud of them.
Okay, thank you very much.